laugh in my face, that's just not okay. Been stuck in my ways, I still overthink. If I let you stay, then you feel my pain. Ooh.
Guys, I am done packing my personal bag, which is my backpack. Actually, let me see if this thing is heavy, because I do not have time for heavy behind. Actually, oh, it feels pretty light. I think it's pretty light. But I'm happy that I finished with this. I did want to give you guys like just a little tip. And this is something that I also learned from like another like TikToker or YouTuber or somebody on social media. I'm not really sure of the exact name, but I'm gonna put these in my bag for now. But a really, really good hack, you guys, if you were like packing or trying to like, you know, prepare for a trip. Dang, my bag sounds like a thing. Save these bags. So if you shop at like places like Shein or Blushmark, you know that a lot of their clothes are basically like they arrive in a kind of like resealable like little individual bagging. So I would suggest that if you ever are looking to kind of like pack and you want to be as organized as possible, keep these little bags here. Keep these bags and then get you some little labels like this. And what you should do is pack each bag per outfit or per like whatever you're doing. Like if you don't have like a whole bunch of like packing cubes or something, just think about it. You can take these little bags from like Shein or Blushmark, literally put in whatever type of outfit you have, and literally like have your outfit, put in the outfit, figure out like accessories, all the other stuff, put the outfit inside the bag, make sure you fold it as neatly and as flatly as possible to conserve as much space, push out all the air. I'm also going to show you guys this when I actually get to like packing. Right now I just packed my toiletry bag and like my backpack, but I will show you guys when I get actually into the thing. I have all my outfits kind of like sort of picked out, but I will show you some of them and I will show you the exact process of me packing them and getting everything ready with that. Hey guys, so I'm almost finished. Do not mind my silly braids. Like, you and me will never part. Like, I know me and you will never part. Like, you know what I'm saying? But don't mind these braids. I just have some conditioner in my head. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, then I'm gonna shower, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna get ready for bed. It's already like almost 1 a.m. and I'm just like playing games because I took a long nap. So I might not go to sleep till like 2, 3, to be honest. But we'll see how it goes. I'm probably just gonna like chill in the living room for a little bit, put like a little shower cap on, and then I'm gonna get ready for work. Oh, I have work tomorrow. I'm so annoyed that I have work tomorrow. Hello guys. I'm currently eating my food.
Do you want me to rip it for you?
No, Rebecca, move.
AK said not yet.
No.
I'm gonna use a little bit less baby powder next time because it be making it not stick.
She said,
you see how it's really rolling
She said I got kinky curly baby hair. Crazy.
Not baby hair, armpit hair.
I mean armpit hair. You know what I meant.
Do you want her to tweeze the ingrowns?
No.
That almost took me out today. She's tweezing the ingrowns.
Yeah, the powder be making it.
I almost hit you.
I distracted you.
Hold on, let me wipe this powder off. Not showing the camera.
Are you gonna put this?
YouTube was gonna flag your video.
Cause I showed them armpit hair.
I would.
You guys, look at my armpit. You see the little like follicle roots? Look. Yeah. I thought this armpit.
She did my butt too.
I hate getting the butt done. Oh, you're gonna have to mute this part. It doesn't hurt, but afterwards my butt be tingling. It be itching like some like I don't like it.
My butt feels
and like when I go white, try not to move. This is practice for tomorrow.
But like if you have like
okay.
Whoa!
Oh, girl. We said try not to move. Gosh.
My leg hair doesn't grow like.
Oh, yours is long. First of all,
what is this?
You must have some white in you because
this is wild. How you gonna have nappy ass?
You don't want her legs to be curly though. don't look like that.
So you guys, I just got my hair done. You see a little pop of color. I did my little skunk stripe in the braids. I really like this. I'm about to head to I'm gonna add in her social media, Braids by Nayla. These braids are very, very cute, very, very love it, feeling very, very pretty. So I'm about to head to the gas station and to the store to pick up a cake for my mom, because today's her birthday. Let's get some sunlight in here. Dang, I left my back window open. Oh my gosh, I'm glad nobody like snuck in or something. And I have to go to the post office too, so I have to run into those 3 things, and then I have to hurry up and try and get home so I can go get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna take my mom with me because today's her birthday, so we're gonna try to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Get her eyebrows done, get my eyebrows done, do something for her birthday, and go get a cake for her. But woo, I really like it. She did my edges up too. What? Talk to me nice. It's so freaking hot. But I will talk to you guys once I get to my destination. Bye. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is done. I'm currently putting on some beads, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I really need to hurry up with these beads though, because I have a nail appointment at 2:15. Got a little pattern going on. So I'm about to get ready to go to this freaking thingy. My only issue is that I'm trying to put these beads on and they're taking a little longer than I expected them to. I don't know why they're taking this long. But I'm about to go. I already picked up my mom's cake. I picked it up. Now I'm about to try to go. I'm trying to make sure these are like all a similar length. This one might be a little shorter. That's okay. You guys see the process of me doing my hair. I really like this because you guys know like the skunk stripe vibe that's been going around. I did skunk stripe braids, which I think is different because I haven't seen a lot of people do skunk stripe braids. I've seen them do it on their hair, but you know, I like to always find a way to be a little different or a little like unique. So I think this hairstyle, especially with the contrast beads, so the colored braids have like these rainbow beads and the other braids have these kind of like tribal beads. So I think that's really, really cute. Oh my gosh, it feels like there's so many freaking things in my head. Quick 1-2. You see the beads in the back? You see these beads in the front? Quick 1-2. I'm so ready for my trip now that my hair is done. I feel like a new woman now that my beads are in. Feel all tropical. You see, I like the mismatch. So see you guys later. Hey guys, I just got my eyebrows done. Can you see them? Does it look like, does it look different? I think they look different. Just got my eyebrows done, on my way to the nail salon to get my nails done. And I'll see you guys when I get there. So I just got finished getting my nails done. These are what my nails look like. Just a regular gel mani. I did like the same color on my toes, and then I did like a little neon different type of green. I should have made this green brighter. Let me see if you can see it better in the sunlight, because look, here's the sun. You can see it a little better in the sun. Let me switch hands. And I did black on this one. So you guys, I just went to Ulta and I picked up some perfume. I got this Viva La Juicy Gold Couture. It's not for grandma. This one's for me. The other one's for grandma. And then for my mom, I just got her the YSL Libre. I know y'all probably seen that. This one. I just got her little scent. Because I think the last time we went, she said she liked the smell of it. So I was just like, let me get that as like a little mini birthday gift. And I just like got her toes them. So that's like 2 little mini birthday presents. And I think we're about to grab some food. I'm not sure where we're gonna get food from, but we will see. Here, you can pass it to grandma. So yes, we're about to head out of here. I have a wax appointment at 5:30, so hopefully we can finish in time, but we will see. But I'll catch back up with y'all later. I haven't really eaten anything all day today. My mom said she wanted Chinese food. I don't really want Chinese food, so we're in this like little plaza in like South Bay in Boston. It's like, yeah. So dang, I kind of want to take my mom to this place like right behind me. I don't really know if I'm saying it right, but I wanted to go there. I wanted to take her there, but I feel like they're expensive. We'll get me some Chipotle and call it a done deal. Can I have a burrito bowl with a tortilla on the side? Hey guys, so ow! There aren't any upstairs. Yes, but I'm using that one. Okay guys, so I'm just about done packing. Let me show you my little layout. So currently you can see I have each outfit kind of like divided into like these separate bags. Look at my nails. This bag is a little different because I have two pants options in here. But I have this is my airport outfit. These are the bags I'm going to bring, some glasses and a couple of jackets I'm going to bring. These are like alternative clothing that I may or may not bring. These are all my dresses. This is my swimsuit. This is a pair of pajamas I need to add in, and these are a pair of drawers and stuff. And then all of these shoes here, the shoes I'm going to bring. So I'm probably going to wear these white sneakers, and then all the other shoes will be finessed into my bag. So I really hope I have enough space, you guys. I really hope so. Dang, I know I brought some like black, oh there we go. I brought these black face masks. I brought some reusable masks upstairs too, but I just decided that I might as well bring some like basic black masks, like the disposable ones, just to make sure I had some in the background. So yes. So I'm about to show you guys me packing, and then I'll interrupt, or I will interject if I feel like I'm struggling with packing or whatever. But come along with me. Yay. Hey guys, my mom's helping me pack. Oh, and this, and these.
I know you ain't got me on there.
I'm not showing your face. My mom, why'd you put the bag upside down?
Because that's the only way that it will fit.
Mom, I don't think this bag gonna close.
It is gonna close.
I feel like you could have fit more stuff in this one then.
You just gave me this.
No, I'm saying we could have fit something else in here then.
This?
No, in here. The shoes?
No, this. Or this right here.
No, this is important.
This.
If you take this out, this ain't doing nothing for that though.
Been working all day, got time for no play. You laugh in my face, that's just not okay. Been stuck in my ways, I still overthink. If I let you stay, think for my pain. Been lost in my way.